Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin after cleansing. Pat your skin dry, and if you use a toner, apply it lightly so the surface is slightly damp. Next, take 3-4 drops of serum and dot them on forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Press the serum into your skin with gentle upward motions. Don't rub hard. This ensures active ingredients penetrate. Once the serum feels absorbed, pause a moment. Make sure there's no residue before moving to moisturizer so layering works effectively. Once the serum has settled, pick a moisturizer suited to your skin type, gel formulas for oilier skin, richer creams for dry skin, because texture affects absorption. Warm 1/2 to 1 pea size amount between your fingers to make it spread evenly. Apply starting at the center of the face, using upward and outward strokes. This helps with coverage and circulation. Make sure you cover jawline, neck, and décolletage. If you need extra hydration, layer a second thin coat where you tend to feel tight. To finish, wait 1 to 2 minutes so moisturizer fully sets before you apply sunscreen or makeup. This avoids mixing products that can pill. If you notice pilling, small flakes when you rub, reduce the amount or change the combination. Heavy serums under heavy creams often pill, so switch to a lighter layer or alternate morning and night. If irritation appears, stop the serum first and give skin 48 hours. Reintroduce one ingredient at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.